What's up, my dudes? Guess who's back? Anyway, to hell with the intro. Let's get straight into the video. Rally drivers are a different breed. You should have bought a Mark IV. Tell me you're rich without telling me you're rich. Damn, that was close. Guys, don't do this at home. Do it in a river. Is this even legal?
Where the f could this possibly be? Whoa. I found it! Yes!
The skills you wish you had. And just like that, your life savings are gone.
Watch out, stop!
I've never seen a Porsche Wheelie before. When the turbo is the only thing you can afford. When money is not a problem. Half a mile to the gallon. When your girl's home alone on a snow day. Don't forget, karma is a sunny beach.
Oh, oh my fucking God.
No way.
When your crush is watching. think this is Uncle Tony's car. Go check out his channel, link in the description. This is unknown to the automatic driver. Old, but still faster than your Prius. I bet anyone would have gotten scared.
Go, bro, go.
Rice or nice? Rear-wheel drive GTR? Me like a lot. Looks like a car, sounds like a bike. Thanks for watching. If we reach 500 likes, we'll upload daily. You've got 24 hours. The clock is ticking.